Guys, I hope we reach 50 subscribers so that I can go live with you guys and show you guys and give out Robux and just let everyone know that I'm there and like I love you guys and that please just follow. Let us reach 50 subscribers. If we can do that, we will do something as content or go live, and maybe some of you will join, maybe 6 of you, but I still like content. I'm still viewing on my views, still making videos. But as the guy said, I'm never, as all of you all said no, and you were crying, and some of you all said no, don't leave, I'm gonna cry. That I'm gonna make you cry, but I'm not leaving, guys. I'm still here. So if you can make me go live with 50 subscribers, I'll hand out one 1,500 Robux each person if you comment your name on my live, and that's all. Thank you guys for supporting me so much, and I love you guys. Thank you so much. Goodbye.